Hey there everyone, Nabil here, the CEO of Lever, the company that plans to bring you the online edu revolution. I'm just here today to sort of share about what we are actually planning to do, because a lot of people have been asking about it. In a nutshell, we are actually looking to leverage the knowledge of key industry leaders, celebrities, and people that you may know of that are local, for them to share their experiences, their journeys, all the things that they had to go through to achieve their end goal to the benefits of many. And how we plan to achieve all this is through online dissemination, right? You can check us on our mobile app, on our normal apps, on the website, whatever it is, through a subscription model. From my experience itself, I was actually leading, a whole bunch of teams prior to this. I had people that were experienced, I had people that were not experienced, first time coming out of university, so it's their first job, so on and so forth. And what always intrigues me is that they're very keen to learn, but it's just that they don't know how to acquire more knowledge. Okay? So lifestyle learning means, through sort of educating yourself through conversations, through just life experiences and everything. And that's essentially, like I said, what we are achieving or planning to do. We put people together, and then they have conversations, and then they learn, right? We're making it easier for people to learn through conversations, okay? Feel free to drop us an email at the link below, like our Facebook or our Instagram or our YouTube pages. We'll be having a lot more fun things going on. It's not just going to be on the applications. We're going to have podcasts. So it's going to be interesting, and we hope that you guys can learn as much as you can from us in the coming future, and we hope that you will be joining us on this journey. Hope to see you soon. Thanks and have a great day, everyone. Peace out.